Hi, Darlene here. When I know I'm getting seeds in the mail, I like to do a mail call so I can share what I've gotten in the mail. So I ordered some stuff off of Amazon, which means that it kind of comes from several different places. So I'm going to try to get this open. Hopefully I don't have to get up and find a scissor or a knife. Yeah, there we go. Okay, so we've got, let me pull everything out of here, and then I'll show you what I've got. That looks like that's it, and I think I see, I don't know, a few stray seeds down in the bottom, maybe. Okay. So the first thing I have here from Shake Seeds Down, it says open carefully. Now I don't know if that shows. On my screen, it looks like the printing is backwards, so I don't know if it shows up backwards for you or not, but it is comfrey. I had purchased a comfrey plant, Bocking 14 or something like that, and it looked lovely and beautiful, and then it died. So I decided just to get regular, ordinary comfrey seeds, Symphytum officinalis, and it says that it needs full sun to part shade. Sow in the spring or fall. Soak seeds in water in fridge for 48 hours or more. Then sow the seeds on top of warm potting soil. Oh, I was looking to see what the cat was doing. She's doing something over there, interrupting me. Keep moist and in gentle and warm light. Takes 10 to 30 days to germinate. And this is from www.earthcareseeds.com. Comfrey. So we'll put that there. And the next one. This is from Harley Seeds, and it's microgreens. It was just a whole array of microgreen, different lettuces and brassicas and whatever that you, to have yummy microgreens. I love growing microgreens, and I kind of got out of the habit of it, and I want to get back into the habit of it. So I ordered, and it feels like there's a lot of them in there. So that's good, microgreens. Oh, let me look at that again. It just says microgreens mix. Okay, so I guess I ordered two. I ordered two of them. So I've got two packages. They look to be the same. All right. And then these are moringa seeds. And I have a few moringa seeds that I had ordered last year. And I actually was able to grow a moringa tree that was about that tall. And I wasn't very lucky with it. I kept it indoors because it wasn't warm enough outside yet. But anyway, I want to keep trying. And I know that for me, moringa has to be an annual because I don't live in a climate where it can survive our winters. But moringa is really good for the health. And so if I can grow it and harvest and preserve so that I can keep boosting my immune system, that's a good thing. So that's my mail call for today. It wasn't a large mail call, but it was an interesting one. And I'm anxious to, oh, I forgot to tell you who I got these from. Granera. And it's, I don't know, does it tell me how many seeds are in here? It doesn't. Granera Nutrients Incorporated. They're out of Glendale, California. Kitty cat, what are you doing? She has to be close to me and getting into trouble. I'd show her to you, but she's on the other side of the camera. Anyway, oh, it says there's approximately 100 seeds in there. So, like the ones I got last year, the package only had like 15 seeds in it. So this should last me. I should have some luck at getting some moringa. Well, I hope you're having a marvelous day. I love getting mail. I don't have a P.O. box, I just have a street address. So if anyone ever wants to send me something, I don't care what it is. Well, like our Will It Grow team Captain John says, just so it doesn't tick. Yeah. If you haven't looked at my Shed Wars 21 videos, I invite you to do that. Also my single seed challenge videos. And I have various other playlists on my channel. And then some of my videos are just videos. I invite you to watch as many of them as you can. If you like what you see, make sure you have subscribed. And I love getting comments whenever I can. I promise to respond to your comment. The only time I haven't responded to comments is if when you send me a comment and I go there to respond to it, it's gone. I've had that happen a couple of times, and I don't know if maybe the people deleted their comment after. They were good comments. They weren't offensive in any sort of way. I don't know if they deleted them or if YouTube took upon themselves to do that. It's hard to tell sometimes. So, whatever. If the comment is there, I will. Whoop, you could probably hear her leaping. I try to respond to every comment if I can. And I know the more comments I get, the harder that's going to be. But I love corresponding with you. I love communicating with you. And I love sharing my garden, my kitchen, little tidbits of my life with you. And I think I'll wrap this video up for today. I hope you're having a good day. Remember, in life, I heard this today in a speech I listened to in my Toastmaster Club. The person was talking about the things that we tend to say we have to do. No, we get to do them. Change your attitude around. I get to do them, because who knows what tomorrow might bring. The things that we think we have to do, we might not get to do in the future. So enjoy getting to do things instead of feeling like we have to do things. I liked that little tidbit of advice that I got today. So we'll see you on the next video. May the good Lord richly bless you. And wave to my hubby as he walks past. Bye.